2020 Content Studio is an online tool used to validate and publish catalog content to 2020 Cloud. Once a catalog is published to 2020 Cloud, it becomes instantly available to stream to thousands of users of 2020 products. Along with publishing and validation capabilities, Content Studio also includes intelligent tools to generate usage analytics related to product, users, popularity, configurations, and trends. Content Studio's powerful analytics feature gives publishers a view into how their catalogs are being used. Knowing how a catalog is being used provides the needed insights into making important business decisions. Publishers will know what types of products they're selling, how they're being specified, what users are specifying them, and where the products are the most popular. To access analytics, select the appropriate catalog and click on the Usage Analytics button. Publishers can choose to create a monthly report, a yearly report, or a month-to-date or year-to-date report. Publishers can easily create one or multiple reports for analysis. To create each report, publishers select the month or year button and navigate to the month or year that they're interested in reviewing. On the General tab, the publisher can see how many total users have added or configured products from their catalog and how many users are adding or configuring products each day and week. Users are reported by location as well, so publishers are able to tell what geographical locations are using their products the most. At the product level, publishers can see the total number of products added and the number of products added each day or week. Products that are added the most are listed in order of the number of times they were added and the number of users who have added them. Top products can be viewed by quantity or percentage in comparison to all other products that have been added. Finally, publishers can see the total number of designs that contain a specific product and the number of designs that are actively using that product each day or week. Publishers can also see what feature and option combinations are popular with their products and the number of users who have chosen those feature and option combinations out of all features and options chosen. For even finer detail, publishers can filter on a specific feature, for example, door style, and see the other options that were chosen with that feature. Publishers can see the number of users who picked the feature and option combination and the number of designs that it is used in. This may be viewed by quantity or by a percentage. As you can see, publishers benefit by having complete visibility on how their catalog is being used and how each product, feature, or option is performing. Content Studio Analytics continue to grow and will soon be offering even more useful information. Imagine a world where you have meaningful data about your catalog usage that will allow you to build your own reports and make informed decisions regarding identifying strong product performers, seeing ways to promote upselling and cross-selling, understanding how designers are interacting with your products, identifying markets to target for specific product offerings, and focusing sales efforts to get maximum coverage. These are just a few places where having your catalogs in 2020 Cloud and using Content Studio to manage them is beneficial. 2020, Making Spaces for Life.